All right, so if you have a Samsung phone that's completely frozen or unresponsive, could be a black screen, or it could be just stuck on an app screen or something like that, that's when you want to force restart the phone. The way you force restart these is with a button combination. So you're going to locate the power or side button and the volume down button. The volume button sometimes looks like one long button, but you're just going to press the lower part of it. So what you're going to do is press down those two at the same time and just keep holding them down for a full, usually 7 to 10 seconds. If you see something like the voice assistant get triggered or a screenshot or something else, just ignore that and continue to hold until you see that Samsung logo appear. That's when you can let go and the phone is going to restart. Sometimes if your phone is on a black screen, vibrating occasionally but holding down those buttons for more than 15 seconds still doesn't do anything, the hardware safety matrix might be locked up. The workaround for that would be to grab a USB-C cable and plug your phone directly into a computer, laptop, or game console. Just avoid a standard wall charger when you're doing this. Then leave it plugged in for about 60 seconds. You might see a charging icon on the screen, or it might just stay black. Then, while it's still plugged into the computer, try the power button and volume down button combination again. Hold them down for about 10 seconds. That low voltage data connection from a computer, a lot of times, forces a frozen motherboard in your phone to reset its power state, when a wall adapter cannot do that. Anyways, that is how you reset or force restart a Samsung phone. Click that like button if this video helped you, and subscribe for more quick guides like this. Thanks all, till next time.